Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a ribbon seal logo using custom shape. Select a circular seal shape from the custom shape tool and draw it in the center. Add a thick stroke to give the seal a strong outer boundary. Now insert a smaller circle inside to create a double border look. Add a ribbon shape beneath the seal and align it perfectly. Apply a gradient overlay to the seal for a metallic or glossy effect. Now add inner shadows to enhance the seal depth. Insert text inside the seal using a curved path for a professional style. Use bold font to improve readability inside the small space. Now add star shapes or decorative lines inside the seal. Also apply highlights along the edges to add shine. Add drop